How to view and download e-statements with Coast Capital. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily view and download your e-statements from Coast Capital Savings. So the first thing you want to do is log into Coast Capital mobile app or online banking. I've just opened up the app here, and here you just need to provide login credentials like username, then you can enter password. You can press on this I button to view your password and then tap on login. Now once you've logged into your account, all you have to do is look for the e-statement or statement and document section under your account section. So navigate to e-statements and then from your profile and preferences section, enable e-statements. Choose manage e-statements and then click on enable. Then you can select your account from the specific account you want to view from. You can apply filters if needed and then export or print. So what you basically have to do here is, let me just show you guys again. I can just go ahead and tap on it. And once you have done that, you can just enable it, continue, and then just submit. What it does is it's completely free and then it's very convenient. You can access your current and past statements anytime you want from your computer or laptop, even when you send, they'll even send you an email to let you know when the statement is ready. It's very secure and it's space saving as you don't have to deal with physical papers. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.